are bringing the week to a close with some live music, courtesy of David Touchton and the Nowhere Band. Guys, thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you.
Really appreciate you getting up. You said you're not normally early riser, but you're here to play for us this morning.
This is the earliest I've been up in a long time.
Well, we are thankful to have you because you sound great getting ready for it.
I appreciate it.
And people have several opportunities to see you at your more normal hours over these next few days.
Actually, yeah. I mean, we're playing out probably 4 or 5 nights a week now, but the ones I want to talk about most are tomorrow night we're going to be at the Red Shed in South Austin. Monday night we'll be at Giddy Ups, which is one of my favorite honky tonks. And then we've got another show in the dance hall at the Broken Spoke next Wednesday. So
wonderful.
That's going to be a big one.
Very cool. And we get a little sample right now.
All right.
I've always got a shotgun in my closet. Where that shotgun is done all right by me. So I've always got a shotgun in my closet. If you know best, stay away from me. 'Cause I'm out of my mind and I'm spending all my time drinking at every bar in town. All these things that I think, know they're driving me to drink. It's the devil in me, keeps me running round. So I've always got a shotgun in my closet. Well, that shotgun there's done all right by me. So I've always got a shotgun in my closet. If you know best, stay away from me. Come on, man. Well, I'm drinking all my pain, and I'm doing it all day. People ask, say I'm doing fine. But I keep stumbling down that road, 'cause I got no place left to go. Ain't nobody there keeping me in line. So I've always got a shotgun in my closet. But that shotgun there done all right by me. So I've always got a shotgun in my closet. If you know best, stay away from me. 'Cause I've always got a shotgun in my closet. Well, that shotgun there is done all right by me, Miss Julia Schultz. But I've always got a shotgun in my closet. If you know best, stay away from me. 'Cause I've always got a shotgun in my closet. Well, that shotgun there done all right by me. So I've always got a shotgun in my closet. If you know best, stay away from me.